Hi, welcome. Simon here, and I hope you're doing well. Just wanted to show it to you. I have a weird request for a screen replacement. This is the iPhone 11, I believe. It's not the Pro version, it's just the regular, and it's not a crack, so the whole plastic came off. So what happened to it? Now, there's no way for me to repair or reseal that glass to make it happen. So in other words, I would have to replace the whole screen here. I don't have the tools for that to fix what this is, but yeah, so let's go ahead and replace the whole screen. So the first thing I need to do is to remove the two screws here at the bottom. You need to have a pentalobe P2, that is the P2 screwdriver here. Remove the two screws here right next to the charging port. Okay, once you have removed the two screws, go ahead and get yourself a metal prying tool. What you want to do is you want to pry and stick it in between the plastic and the base on the phone. Okay, so you want to go ahead and do that. And as you can see, I'm having a little bit difficulty here. The reason is because that adhesive is taping down the phone to prevent water or dust getting into the phone. So this metal prying tool is to cut that adhesive so that I can separate the screen. All right, at this point here, I have separated that screen. So let's flip it to your right. That's the position you want to flip it off. As you can see, that the multi layers of this film, this sort of glass film, is what you're looking at your phone every day. So that are the things that you need to change it up. Now the next step is I'm getting myself a Pry screwdriver, or this is the Y screwdriver. We need to remove all the screws here. Okay, so this is the Y screwdriver, or the Pry. It's a little Y-shaped looking screwdriver. So we're going to remove all the screw here. Once you have removed 5 screws, the bracket should technically come right off. And then the next step is to disconnect the flex cable. And this is the proximity sensor. We are going to disconnect that as well. All right, so let's put that on the side. Now, obviously this and that, there's no use for us, but that's how the screen looks like. It's just a bunch of layer of film. That film is to give you the display. What I want to do is to transfer the proximity sensor, the ear speaker here, over to the new screen. So here I'll be using a the Phillips screwdriver, and there are 3 screws holding down using a Phillip, and there's one tiny screw on the top left corner. That is the Pry screwdriver, the Pry screw. Now the entire proximity sensor will just come right off. I do not need that. What I need is the replacement screen. All replacement screen in my purchase, it comes with this little blue plastic. We just have to peel it off. Once you're done with that process, make sure you get the bracket here, and this bracket is to hold down, let's see, holding down the camera, the lenses. Why is this look different? Okay, it's probably on this direction here. So I need to make sure I got it correct. I am going to align them like such, pre-installing that little bracket there. Okay. Oops, sorry. Just gonna pre-install the bracket onto the proximity sensor, and I'm just gonna put it on top as a transfer. Got a Phillips screwdriver. This is the 1.5. A tiny little screwdriver here. Let's go ahead and secure the proximity sensor. Okay. So 3 screws, bottom right, bottom left, top right, and this is the tri screwdriver for the top left. Okay, once you have done with that process, let's go ahead and reconnect everything back together. So they're just kind of like Lego. First you need to tuck in that flex cable right alongside of the battery. So kind of tuck it in, position that connector, and just snap it back on. You don't have to press hard because, like I said, they're just like Lego. All you have to do is to find that sweet spot sitting on top, and once you press it in, you should feel that little click, and that click should hold it down. Get the bracket, put it back on top, securing all that flex cable, the connector, and that should do it. Here is the Try, T-R-I, Try screw, or that little Y-shaped looking screw. Let's see if the phone has battery to power up. I doubt it. Let me get the charger and I'll be right back. So let's see. I have the charger here. And let me grab the charger. See if it powers up the phone before I put everything back together. You can see there's a display. It's charging up the phone, which is a good sign. I know the battery might be real dead, but at least we have the display, as you can see. So what the next step we need to do is to position on the top. Make sure the top goes in first. Right, slide it in. Slide the top in, and then crunch it down at the end of it, and then the side of it, and that should do it. Okay, have the 2 screws going back in to secure and lock the screen down. This is the iPhone 11 screen replacement. This is not the Pro, and hopefully this video helps. And if you do find the video is helpful, please go ahead and smash the like button for me. I really appreciate you for doing that. And again, check the link down description below. I'll link all the tools where you can get it from. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye now.